Hi, I'm Tish. I'm a beauty writer and editor, and today I'm going to show you how to do one of this season's biggest beauty trends, which is all about creating a beautiful balance. As a deeply unbalanced individual, thanks to things like work, small children, a rampant social media addiction, and a social life which means going to the opening of a gas station, balance is something I've really been craving. I'm going to walk you through my signature pared back, restrained look, and then we're going to add a bold, wild twist. This is one of Charlotte's latest launches, and what I love about it is the textures. It is a cream to foam to milk, so it means you have 3 for the price of 1, and sort of removes all that dirt and debris, which is exactly what you want. Don't take the streets to the sheets. And next, we've got some Barbara Sturm hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is key for restoring moisture to the skin. What you do, you just put a couple of drops on your skin and then just go in and layer it on. This one from Dermalogica is really great. It is a DBack brand and it's got a lot of moisturizing agents in it, and you've got that SPF protection. I'm someone that really likes my dark circles. It's kind of giving that unwellness, undead look. I do have a bit of redness on my chin, and so I'm going to cover it up with this Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer, and this also has SPF in it. What I am going to do though is go in with this Gucci Beauty multi-use gloss and bring that sense of lightness and shininess to my cheekbones and on the eyelids, so it sort of counteracts the dead look elsewhere. Technically I could just leave like this, but I want to add that sense of balance. I'm going to use this Lancome mascara to basically define and lift my lashes and just create that sense of darkness and edge, a bit more wild. And maybe it speaks back to my youth of being a goth. For me, a bold red lip, it says, don't mess with me and I won't mess with you, but I also could mess with you if I wanted to. So yeah, I'm going to use this new Chanel lipstick, which I love. The red is perfect for my skin tone. So I'm in my dress. I spray myself with this Byredo 11th Hour, which is appropriately named for someone that's always very late, riding at the 11th hour. I love this fragrance because it's got that sense of balance. It's warm, but there's a spicy note, but there's a freshness from the bergamot, and then there's rum, which I think is very appropriate for a night out. Thank you for watching my beautifully balanced look. Just cut.